red line staring from the screen, legs shake, and my lungs wanna scream. One rep past the voice that says quit. One step past the limit. I said every breath says more. Every scar keeps score. Every hand so core. It's what I came here for. Come on, I'm gonna burn through the wall. Feel my back to the rope, but I won't fall. Turn the pain into power. Turn the doubt into fire. I'm gonna burn through the wall. Yeah, I rise, I refuse to crawl. When my body says stop, my blood screams push it on. No surrender, just another second longer. Hold the pressure till the shaking makes me stronger. If it hurts, that means I'm still alive. If it burns, that's my reason to rise. I'm gonna burn through the wall. Feel my back to the rope, but I won't fall. Turn the pain into power. Turn the doubt into fire. I'm gonna burn through the wall. Yeah, I rise, I refuse to crawl. When my body says stop, my blood screams push it on. My blood screams push it on. Sitting up tall, I hope I don't look too small. Talking too loud, make sure I don't hear their call. Just smile a smidge so that I can't be called a bitch. Eyes up on the daily, nah, I refuse to crawl. Deal with it, deal with it. Deal with it, deal with it. Can't seem to make it out of that lunch sentence. You're making me hold back to what experience. I'm done with it, done with it. Deal with it, deal with it. Well, I'm just checking, checking. Do you always feel this threat? No, I can't explain how it feels to be put up on display. That's always been the way. Does that mean that it has to stay? Can't smile too wide, cause then they'll think that I wanna confide. Build it up so they can't see what's on the other side.
It's something about your vibe and your essence. It was only for a couple of seconds, but I really fell in love with your presence. I graded that an A+ pretty. She said her makeup fitty. I told her with or without it, I'm breathless. We kicking it like Tekken. No, we ain't running from nobody, girl, we steppin'. No, I ain't got time to play, cause I'm bringing that check in. If ever you feel threatened, I got you on my chest is. Just check in. On one hand, I'm feeling like it's the right move. Other hand, saying love a game that you might lose. She down to ride in whatever lane that I choose. She 5'7" and heels built like a haiku. White coupe, the top poop. We making boss moves. Shotty strapped up, gon' bust if you make a false move. Back then, they slept on us, we let them all snooze. Trapped in my cold heart, but you make the walls move. Yeah.